Hi, I'm Amy M. Burns, the creator of amymburns.com and the proud author of Using Technology with Elementary Music Approaches. By day, I rock out as an elementary music educator at Far Hills Country Day School. By night, I take on the role of community coordinator at Midnight Music and serve as an elementary music consultant at Music First. Get ready for some fantastic tech tips every Tuesday to enhance your music classes with Music First Elementary. Dive into this exciting K-5, soon expanding to preschool through grade 6, packed with engaging printable lessons, global melodies, instrument music for bands, orchestra, and classroom instruments, along with tools to craft amazing movie soundtracks. Click on the links below to secure a spot for a 30-day free trial and access a wonderful curriculum with innovative resources. Let's make some music today. This Tech Tip Tuesday video gives you a quick look at the new features in Music First Elementary's YuStudio, a full-featured web-based digital audio workstation with movie scoring capabilities. If you would like a more in-depth view of the new features where I show you how to use them to create an ABA template for your students where they will improvise the melody for the B section, please click the link below in the description, which will be active later this week. Number 1. Loops to drag to duplicate clip. Easily create duplicate loops by dragging this symbol at the top right of the selected clip. This new improvement is wonderful. Though my students did not have any concerns using Command D or Control D to duplicate their clips, this is so much nicer for them as they can now do this with their touchscreen devices or their device's keyboard by clicking and dragging on that symbol at the top right of the clip. Number 2, performance improvements. When my 4th graders were using YuStudio earlier this year, they ran into some problems when all 28 of them were using the program on the school internet at the same time. There were latency issues. Some synthesizers and effects can be a bit power hungry and can cause lower powered computers like inexpensive Chromebooks to struggle. If this happens to you or your students, you can now bounce the track to audio and then deactivate the original track to improve performance. Bouncing converts the track to audio and bakes in the effects. This allows you to deactivate any effects and synths that may be making your computer struggle. Number 3, bouncing full tracks or just clips. Expanding on that, bounce any audio or instrument track or even just individual parts to a new audio track. This will include any effects and automation. You can also bounce just a clip. Number 4, deactivate the track. Deactivate a track so that none of its clips, instruments, or effects play. This frees up processing power and improves performance. This helps greatly when you have numerous students working on the same program on a school network. And number 5, on-screen keyboard improvements. Using the highlight the selected keyboard, the students can see the notes that will work well with their assigned key and scale. They can then record into the track by playing the keyboard on the screen. In addition, by clicking on the device's keyboard view, you can use the keyboard to record with a pentatonic scale. To check out a more in-depth look into these features, please click on the link below, which will become active later this week. And don't forget to try our Music First Elementary with a 30-day free trial in the description below. Stay tuned for more MFE tech tips on Tech Tip Tuesday next week.